morning, children. Today we will start a new lesson number 3.2, the Kite Festival. Children, before we start the lesson, let me tell you the summary of the lesson in short. During the olden days, kites flying was a favorite outdoor activity. Even mothers also suggested the children to go out and enjoy the kite flying sports. In olden days, the kites were made of kite paper and thin wooden frames. Now we have different types of kites like the motorized, fiberglass, etc. Our ancestors also flew the kites. We come to know about it through the mythological stories. It seems that the human were obsessed with the desire of flying. This could be the cause of its invention. In India, kite flying is found more during the arrival of spring, which is celebrated as Basant, or during the festival of Makar Sankranti. It also coincides with the festival of Uttarayan. In Gujarat, on 13th or 14th January, almost everyone in the city goes to the terrace and enjoys the festival with lots of enthusiasm throughout the day, which is also accompanied with the traditional delicacies, especially prepared for the day. At Ahmedabad, International Kite Festival is usually organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. Many people from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries bring exotic kites that compete with the local kites. Kites of different shapes can be easily seen here. One of the highlights of this festival is that in Ahmedabad there is Patang or Kite Bazaar that remains open for 24 hours for 7 weeks. Even people flock at night time in large crowd here. The skilled craftsmen make the best of the kites and thread to lure the kite flyers. At night, the excitement reaches its zenith when illuminated box kites called tukals beautify the dark sky and compete with the brilliant light of the stars. Now, children, we will start the lesson. Before the lesson, let us discuss the warming up questions which are related to the lesson. Question number 1 is given, cut out the wrong kites. Children, you can see it on the screen, a table of kites, and in that it is given noun forms, verb forms, and adjective forms. Now, children, the first word is festival, which is given in noun column, and that is correct. So we don't have to cut the kite. We will keep as it is. Because the question is given, cut out the wrong kites. Now, the verb form of festival is given festivity, which is incorrect. So we have to cross it. We have to put a cross mark as I have done it on the screen. You can see it. Now, the adjective form of festival is given festive, which is correct. Now, the next second column, it is given celebration. It is written in noun column and it is correct. Now, the verb form of celebration is given here, celebrate, which is correct. So, no need to cut the kite. Now, the adjective form of celebration is given here, celebrity, which is incorrect. So, you have to cut the kite by putting a cross mark on it. Now, in the third column, the word is given tradition, and which is a noun form, and it is written in noun column. So, it is correct. Now, the verb form of tradition is given here, trade, which is correct. Now, the adjective form of tradition is given here, traditional. Second last column you can see in the adjective column. Now, the last word is here, competition, which is given in noun column, and it is correct. Now, The verb form of competition is given here, compete, which is correct. Now, adjective form of competition is given here, compare, which is incorrect. So you have to put a cross mark by cutting the kite. In this way, children, you will solve this question in the textbook itself. Now, we will take a break of 1 minute and we will stop here and will proceed further with the next question. Thank you. Let's continue the lesson, children. Lesson number 3.2, the Kite Festival. Children, we were discussing the warming up questions and we were on question number 2. And the question is, name the festival that you enjoy the most of all. Fill in the facts about that festival. Children, for this answer, you can write the information or the facts about your favorite festival also. The first point is name of the festival, Christmas. When it is celebrated, 25th December. Why it is celebrated? It is the day when Jesus Christ was born. Point number D, how it is celebrated. This festival is mainly celebrated by Christians. On this special day, they attend church, spend time with family and friends, and also exchange gifts. They decorate their houses with ornaments and lights. They bring Christmas tree in their houses and decorate it with ribbons, ornaments, decorative balls, etc. They sing Christmas carols and celebrate through the night. Point number E, special cuisine, fruit cake, plum pudding, rose cookies, and marzipan, etc. Next, point number F, other special features. One of the traditions associated with Christmas is to place a star-shaped ornament at the very top of the Christmas tree. Children are excited to meet Santa Claus, who is known to bring gifts for them. Now, children, we will read the lesson pairwise. Years ago, the harassed mother would often say to her restless son. Children, here, harassed means troubled or stressed. So, years ago means in the past time or in the olden period. The harassed mother, the troubled mother, would often say to her restless son. Children, here, restless means unable to rest or relax as a result of boredom. Who needed to be kept busy? Who needed to be kept busy? The son during his holidays. Or you can say the children. Why don't you go fly a kite? The harassed mother used to ask to her restless son. Why don't you go and fly a kite? And the little boy would happily pick up his kite, happily, readily pick up his kite and run out into the field. That, of course, was in the past, was in the olden time or in the olden period, when the only kites available were made of kite paper and thin wooden frames. So children, we will stop here and we'll continue the lesson in the next video. We'll take a break of 1 minute. Thank you. Let's come back to the lesson. Lesson number 3.2, the Kite Festival. Children, we were on the second paragraph, second last line. Kite flying has come a long way. Come a long way means, children, progressed or developed. Kite flying has progressed or developed since then with the invention of motorized. Children, motorized means which is run by motor. Kites which are run by motors. So, kite flying has developed or progressed since then with the invention of motorized and even fiberglass kites to compete with the old-fashioned kites. Today, kite flyers can be found in different parts of the world. Today, the lover of kite flyers can be seen in the different areas of the world, carrying different types of kites, having different types of kites, waiting for the right winds, waiting for the right time to blow the winds. Kite flying has a long history. The story of kite flying has a long history. There are many Greek, Indian, and other mythological stories. There are so many Greek, Indian, and other mythological. Mythological means children, traditional or religious stories, which gives us the information about human beings wanting to, human beings wish to, or desire to, or trying to fly. Over a period of time, this desire of humans and their imagination probably, almost certainly led to the invention of kites. And it is likely that the box kites, children, means it is said that the box kites designed more than 100 years ago. It is said that the box kites were designed more than 100 years back, later inspired others to create power driven aeroplanes. And later on, many people were inspired and motivated to create this power driven aeroplanes, to make this power driven aeroplanes. In India, however, the tradition of kite flying has not changed, be it during the coming of spring, which is celebrated as Basant, or during the festival of Makar Sankranti. Children in India, however, this tradition of kite flying has not been changed. It is still observed during the coming of spring, which is celebrated as Basant, or during the festival of Makar Sankranti. People of all ages go out into the open to try their luck with their kites. People of all ages go out into the open to try their luck in flying the kites. In towns and cities where open spaces are difficult to find, terraces and rooftops are often used for this traditional sport. Children in towns and cities where open spaces are not found, very difficult to be found. So terraces and rooftops are usually used for this traditional sport. In Gujarat, Makar Sankranti is kite flying day. In Gujarat, this Makar Sankranti, this festival is considered as a kite flying day, traditionally celebrated on January 13th or 14th, and it is holiday. It is holiday on this day when people meet outdoors to cut each other's kites. This day also coincides with the festival of Uttarayan. Children here, coincides means occurs at the same time. So this day also occurs at the same time with the festival of Uttarayan, when the sun is said to begin its journey to the northern hemisphere. When the sun starts moving towards the northern hemisphere, the people of Gujarat celebrate Uttarayan with a lot of enthusiasm. Children, enthusiasm means passion or enjoyment, and all business comes to a grinding halt. Children here, grinding means stand still or stop or stopped for a couple of days, for a few days. It is also a celebration to mark the end of winter and beginning of spring. The kite festival, the kite flying begins at dawn. Children, dawn means early in the morning. The kite flying festival begins at early in the morning and continues without a pause, without a stop throughout the day. People of all ages gather on terraces or rooftops. People of all ages are assembled on terraces or rooftops for kite flying. So now children, we will stop here and we'll take a break of 1 minute and we will continue the lesson further in the next video. Thank you. Good morning children. Today we will continue lesson number 3.2, the kite festival. Children, we were on page number 62, last paragraph. Till now we have read that the kite flying begins at dawn and continues without a pause throughout the day. People of all ages gather on terraces or rooftops. Now, friends, neighbors, even total strangers compete with one another and cries of triumph. Children, triumph means victory. So, in this kite flying festival, friends, neighbors, all the strangers they join together and compete with one another and cries. and shout for their victory, which rend the air. Children here, rend means tear the air. The sound of their victory tear the air when someone cuts the line of a rival. Rival means opponent. Now, next paragraph. A wonderful variety of kites is seen, and the fussy buyers can choose what he wants. Children here, a wonderful variety means a beautiful variety of kites is seen, and the fussy means choosy, buyers can choose or select what he wants. The more serious players prepare special lines for their kites. Children, special lines means the thread for their kites, and there is music in the air and traditional delicacies. Children, delicacies means you can say special food items or sweet dishes or delicious dishes are specially prepared for the day. So there is music in the air and traditional delicacies are specially prepared for the day. Held on the same day, the bigger event, however, is the International Kite Festival. So, on the same day, the bigger event, the International Kite Festival, is held at Ahmedabad, which is organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. So, the International Kite Festival is held at Ahmedabad and which is organized or managed by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation, and it is held either at Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skill, who show their talent, who participate in this kite festival in flying exotic kites. Exotic means children foreign, or you can say belonging to the faraway lands. Foreign kites and local champions as well join this. So, little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Excited spectators watch in awe as marvelous. Marvelous means children, sorry, marvelous means wonderful, beautiful. So excited spectators watch in awe, watch in wonder, surprise as marvelous shapes, such as marvelous beautiful shapes such as eagle shapes and snakes type of shape kites soar into the skies. Soar means rise into the skies. One of the highlights of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar. One of the highlights means one of the important thing of this festival is the Patang or Kite Bazaar, which is in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week. A visit to this bazaar in the middle of the night is enough to prove that the entire city is obsessed with kites, obsessed, totally busy, or observed in the kite flying festival. So, a visit to this bazaar will give you the full idea that the whole city or the entire city is obsessed, is busy with kites. And this Patang or Kite Bazaar is open 24 hours a day. People crowd these streets. People are crowded in the streets and buy the stocks of kites, haggling through the night, haggling, bargaining throughout the night for their kites. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age old kite. Skilled craftsmen means the talented craftsmen demonstrate, they show or they show the way how to prepare the special thread used for kite, how to prepare the special thread for the old age kites or age old kite making skills, and how to prepare the special thread used for kite flying. Mixtures of glue, glue means gum, and ground glass cover the lines. Mixture of glue and ground glass covers the line. Ground glass means children here the small or the mixture of glass covers the lines which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkes. You must be aware of this firkis, which is used for flying the kite on which the thread is rolled. So, which is dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis. Mixture of glue and ground glass cover the lines, cover the thread, which are dried and rolled onto reels known as firkis. These lines are so sharp that carelessly used they can cut a finger. So these lines of thread are so sharp that even they can cut your fingers if you are careless in using them. Now children, we will stop here and we'll take a break of 1 minute and we'll continue the remaining part in the next video. Thank you. Let's continue the lesson 3.2, the kite festival. Children, we were on the last paragraph of the lesson. The excitement does not end with nightfall. The excitement does not end with the beginning of the night. Now it is time for illuminated box kites. Illuminated means lighted up. Now it is time for illuminated box-shaped kites, often strung. Strung is the past tense of string, which means thread, and meaning is to hang. So now it is time for illuminated box kites, which is often strung on one line to be launched into the sky, to be floated into the sky called tuckles. So this illuminated box kites, which are strung on one line and are floated into the sky, are called tuckles. They add a grand beauty to the dark sky and compete with the brilliance, compete with the brightness of the stars which are shining in the sky. So now children, the lesson gets over here. Now we will discuss the textual questions. Question number 1 is give the antonyms and synonyms of the words below. The first word is happily and synonym is joyfully. Antonym is sorrowfully. Next word is traditional and synonym for the word traditional is old fashioned. Antonym is modern. Next word is halt and synonym for the word halt is pause and antonym is start. Next word is triumph and synonym for the word triumph is victory and antonym is defeat. Next word is exotic and synonym for the word exotic is foreign and antonym is native. Now next word is rival and synonym for the word rival is competitor. Antonym is partner. Next word is soar. Synonym for the word soar is rise and antonym is drop. Next word is brilliance and synonym for the word brilliance is luster and antonym is dullness. Now, question number 2 is say whether the following statements are true or false. The first sentence is fiberglass kites led to creating power driven aeroplanes, and the answer is false. Sentence number B. In Gujarat, the kite festival is celebrated to welcome the spring. The answer is false. Next, sentence number C. Uttarayan starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. The answer is true. Next, sentence number D. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport come festival. The answer is true. Sentence number E. The Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. The answer is true. Sentence number F. The special thread for kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. The answer is false. So now children will stop here and we'll take a break of 1 minute and we'll continue with the last question in the next video. Thank you. Let's continue the lesson 3.2, the kite festival. Children, we were discussing the textual question answers and we were on question number 3. So the question is using points from the lesson, give the details of the following in a short paragraph for each topic. The first question, question number A, is different types of kites. And the answer is traditional kites are made of kite paper and have thin wooden frames. The modern kites may be motorized or made of fiberglass. Exotic kites have marvelous shapes such as that of eagles and snakes. There are also illuminated box kites called tukals. So, children, let me repeat for you the same answer. Traditional kites are made of kite paper and have thin wooden frames. The modern kites may be motorized or made of fiberglass. Exotic kites have marvelous shapes such as that of eagles and snakes. There are also illuminated box kites called tukals. Now, question number B is International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. And the answer is the International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation. It is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Exotic kites with marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the skies. The Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week, and people crowd the streets through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age old kite making skills and how to prepare special thread. At night, illuminated box kites are sent into the sky. I repeat the answer. The International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad, organized by the Gujarat State Tourism Corporation, it is held either at the Sardar Patel Stadium or the Police Stadium. This popular festival attracts international kite flyers who demonstrate their skills in flying exotic kites and local champions as well. Little Indian paper kites compete with those from Japan, USA, UK, and other countries. Exotic kites with marvelous shapes such as eagles and snakes soar into the skies. The Patang or Kite Bazaar in the heart of Ahmedabad, which is open 24 hours a day for a whole week, and people crowd the streets through the night. Skilled craftsmen demonstrate age old kite making skills and how to prepare special thread. At night, illuminated box kites are sent into the sky. So, children, now we have completed lesson number 3.2, the Kite Festival. And after this video, you will get a PDF. Please copy down all the question answers in your English classwork notebook. Now we'll take a break. Thank you.